ஸோ இந்த டாபிக் வந்து கொஞ்சம் காமனாக நான் எடுக்கிறேன். உங்களுக்கு ரெகுலராக போகிற மாதிரி. டுடே ஐ எம் கோயிங் டு டாக் அபவுட் content writing and content marketing. So this content writing and content marketing is one of the important module in digital marketing. Okay. So when I say digital marketing is nothing but creating an awareness about a product in the internet is called digital marketing. So நீங்க வந்து ஒரு பொருளை உற்பத்தி பண்ணி மக்கள்கிட்ட கொண்டு போய் சேர்க்கிறது மார்க்கெட்டிங். அதை இன்டர்நெட்ல கொண்டு போய் சேர்த்தீங்க மூலமா சேர்த்தீங்கன்னா இட்ஸ் கால்ட் டிஜிட்டல் மார்க்கெட்டிங். அதுல ஒரு போர்ஷன் வந்து writing a content for social media, writing a content for website, writing a content for a landing page, writing a content for an article. So different types of content வந்து இருந்துட்டு. So when you are going to write content, as I said, you need to write a content for social media. When you post any images or any reels or any video in Instagram or Facebook or even YouTube, you need to write a small content about what is that reels or what is that media about. So let's go to Instagram. Let's see any content. So for example, this is one image. Okay, International Yoga Day. June 21 was an International Yoga Day. So here, apart from this image, the image itself speaks what they want to try to convey. So apart from that, there is a small content. Read more it has come. Yoga, a profound science uniting body and the spirit is a timeless gift. On this International Yoga Day, there was a hashtag they have mentioned. On this hashtag International Yoga Day, let us commit to making yoga an integral part of daily life by our business. Then again, there is a content. Again, there is an ad. If you see anywhere like AD in Instagram, it is a paid advertisement. So this company has paid Instagram to promote this video. Okay, so when you see AD, it means like it's a paid promotion. Whereas here you didn't see any AD. That means it is an organic. So he has some followers, so he is posting. It will go to his followers and to others also. So when you see AD, it is a paid promotion. The paid promotion, you have more control, which you'll be studying later. Like you want to show this ad only to particular location, or only to particular genders, or only to particular age. All these things you can control in ad. But in normal Instagram posting, you cannot control anything. But in paid advertisement, you can control who should see your ad. So here also about this ad, why you are seeing this ad, about this ad. Senator, we run ads. This is the company, they are running the ad. Why you are seeing this ad? Why I am seeing this ad? I am sitting in Coimbatore, why I am seeing this? They might have selected my parameter as the audience, like age or city or gender. Ads shown in feed are based on different factors, including who are the advertisers choose to reach and your activity. So these are something related to ad, which we'll be seeing later. But today I want to talk about the content. So there is a company, there is an image, there is also a content. So this content, it's what something special we need to take care. Normally when we do some posting, okay, I have gone to movie, I have gone to a party, or post that picture, you write whatever your friends will like. Okay. But when you want to take it as a professionally or a part of a business, you need to write a content which is attracted many of your followers. So the content should be in a different format. So what are the formats? Like then again, there is a hashtag they have mentioned. Hashtag is nothing but it is a grouping of particular word. So whoever in the internet or in the Instagram uses this future starts here, hashtag future starts here. It means like it will group and give everyone who has used this hashtag. So there will be some more visibility for your post when you use a proper hashtag. So how many hashtags you can use? There is no limit for that one. You can use any number of hashtags, but preferred after studying digital marketing, you should use only 5 hashtags. What will happen is everything works on the basis of algorithm. Because before writing content, you should know about the algorithm. So what is algorithm? Some rules and regulations set by Instagram company to promote your post. he is going to post on reel. He is going to post on reel. He is going to post on reel. Even same type of audience, same type of content. But one will get popular, another will get medium, another will get low. So how it goes? Instagram wants to show one of the video to many of the non-followers. Same Instagram will choose to another video to show only to limited followers. So that means it has some rules and regulations. So who are following the rules and regulations or parameters, those reels will be more popular. So in that case, when you use more number of hashtags, this in the algorithm what will do, it will try to show the persons who have, who audience similarly matches for this hashtag. So that means sometimes we use a random hashtag, it will get confused and it will go and show to people who are in the wrong audience section. For example, you have post this one for a business. When your friend likes this one, or when your more friends likes your post, what algorithm will understand is, okay, this post is liked by 10 people of this particular age, this particular category, this particular mobile device, everything Instagram will calculate. Then what will understand is, okay, these are the right audience for that images. Then it will try to show the same kind of a 10 persons available in the Instagram. Will it be a right audience? No, because your friends are not your audience for your product. They just simply like because you have posted on video, they just like. So normally when you're going for a business kind of a content marketing, so use proper hashtag that is relevant to your post, not for something else. So when you use the hashtag, for example, your post is related to education, but when you use the hashtag FIFA World Cup, okay, then what it algorithm will do? This algorithm will try to show your post to those who like that FIFA World Cup. Okay, you will get some visibility. I'm not saying that you will not. Because of that, you will get more visibility, likes, whatever it may be. But they are not your target audience. So use a hashtag which is relevant to your post. So hashtag is important. This content is very important. Even though it is a 3 line or 4 line, writing a content for social media is very important. First priority will be for post. Visible section. This only people will see. Once they like this, then they will try to go and read all these contents. They may not read. Sometimes they may not read this. They will look into the ground. So content can be image or text or video or audio, anything. Content means it's not only text. It can be a image. Content can be a text. Content can be a video. Content can be audio. So anything it can be. So what is marketing? Content marketing. You need to market that content. So again, I told content may be a text or video or audio. So you need to market that. What is marketing? You need to promote that product. That is called content marketing. Okay. Now for social media, this is the content. We are going to promote that one. For a website, let's go to appin.com. For website, this is the content. For a home page of this particular website, this is the content. This is the content. This is the content. This is the content. Everything is the content. So when your content is not good, okay, the visitors of your page may not be happy. See, you have a house, okay. When people are entering your house, if that is not good, then the people will go away from your house. They will not look into all the rooms or all the interiors what you have done. So the first page or the first room what where they are entering should be a very neat, tidy, or which should be liked by your audience. At least it should be liked by your audience. So similarly, these are the interiors like sofas, furnitures, painting. These are the contents for your website. So when your content is not good, they will just go away from your website. So website content writing is very, very important. When I say internship training in Coimbatore. Let me search this word. So when I search this, so these are the my business. So here what it does, there are some companies coming over here, and Appin Technologies own company which is company. So when I click this, okay, this is called landing page. From where I'm entering that house, that is called landing room. Similarly, when from where I'm entering this website, it is called landing page. So I'm clicking this one. So here I had just gone to the home page, appincoimbatore.com. Here what happens? From Google, I'm directly coming to internship training in Coimbatore. Where is this page? It is in this page. So instead of going here and clicking the menu, I search something in Google and directly I'm coming to this page. This is called landing page. So landing page means it should be uh, kind of a different content. For a normal websites, you can write a content, anything about your company, what is your process, procedures, everything. But for a landing page, people will look for what they are going to purchase. It is not like for a research they are not coming, because again it depends on the keyword. When they are searching like internship training in Coimbatore, they are actively researching which are the companies providing internship. That means this content should be slightly differ and should meet the buyer expectation. For example, you two are joined for the internship. So what is your expectations? You told like in your college asked to go for an internship to get a certificate. So certificate is one of the important parameter for you to select this company. So when you come out here, this is the internship page. You searched in Google and you are coming here. Certifications, there is a tab I have given here. Instead of you go and search inside that page where is that certification, whether they are mentioned or not, I have given here itself. So all the important parameters when I say certifications, immediately it will go over here. You can just look at the acceptance letters workshop. 5 certificate this company is giving. So what this is a sample certificate. The format will be. So everything which is related to the buyer should be in the landing page. Otherwise, what will happen when your college told to go for an internship to get a certificate, and if you are not seeing this certification in your landing page, you will look for another company. Okay. So similarly, certificate, what are the other expectations? Fees may be expectations, domain may be expectation, how is this company, everything will be there. Similarly, for you to join a digital marketing course, you might have something in your mind. Okay, what is that company? What is their syllabus? What is their who is going to take the class? What kind of a project they will give? Whether they will give a job or interviews. These are the parameters of the buyer. Buyer means who is going to buy your product. So that parameter should be in the landing page. That may not be in the home page. Okay, but that should be in the landing page. So writing a content for a social media, I told related to that post, it's a small content. Writing a content for a home page is different. Writing a content for a landing page is different. Again, writing a content for an ad. When you say digital marketing course, this most of them are not using that one, but I want to teach you for this digital marketing course or online. Let's see how the content will be. Let's go. So this is an ad because it comes under sponsor. That means this company has paid it to Google. When someone search for this keyword, bring my ad. So here, if you look at this particular website, again they have mentioned about digital marketing only. But this website, there is no menu or button. You look at see, only they are given call option, then inquiry form, but nowhere I can click and go to other thing. Only when I click, I can just be inside this web page only. Everything, it is just opening a form. There is no other menus available. But when I take this one particularly, iadmgroup.com, and I'll search here, they will be having more menus. But for here also there is a digital marketing course, 4 months, 6 months they are mentioned. This is also called a landing page, but this page is given inside the website. Like I have shown, college internship, but it is in the website. That is also landing page. But for an ad, they have mentioned ads dot. They have created on subdomain or separate page. That page does not have any menu. So creating a landing page is something, for an ad is something different. Not all the companies are doing. That's what I want to show this one. Only this company has did this one. So creating a separate landing page content for an ad means there should not be any menu. They should not get diverted from one menu to another menu. So here there is a chance like I may go to digital marketing 4 months or 6 months or multimedia, anything I can go. Then whatever I came for a purpose, I may forget I can leave. But for ad means I should come to that particular digital marketing page. I don't have any deviations. So if I want to make an inquiry, I should make an inquiry. புரிஞ்சுங்களா உங்களுக்கு இல்ல ஸோ ஆடுக்குன்ட்டு செப்பரேட் லேண்டிங் பேஜ் கிரியேட் பண்றாங்க. வெப்சைட்டுக்குள்ள வர்றதுக்கும் எஸ்இஓ மூலமா ஒரு லேண்டிங் பேஜ் கிரியேட் பண்றாங்க. ஹோம் பேஜுக்கும் ஒரு லேண்டிங் பேஜ் அப்படிங்கிறது. ஸோ நம்ம எந்த கண்டென்ட் நீங்க வெப்சைட்டுக்கு வந்து நீங்க தான் கண்டென்ட்ல எழுதுற மாதிரி இருக்கும், எழுத போற இதுக்கு. ஸோ அதுக்கு எல்லாத்துக்குமே இந்த பேராமீட்டர்ஸ் லேண்டிங் ஞாபகம் வச்சுக்கோங்க. ஒரு ஆக்டிவா ரிசர்ச் பண்ணி பை போறோம்னா அந்த ப்ராடக்ட்ல என்னென்னலாம் எக்ஸ்பெக்டேஷன்ஸ் இருக்குமோ அதெல்லாம் ஒன்று பண்றது ஒன்று. ஆடுக்காக நீங்க பண்றீங்க அப்படின்னா அதே தான் கண்டென்ட்ல அதே மாதிரி தான் வரும். பட் இந்த மெனுவெல்லாம் எதுவும் கொடுக்க மாட்டாங்க. பாத்தீங்களா இந்த ஆட்? ஏன்னா அந்த ஆடை கிளிக் பண்ணிட்டு வந்து நான் டைவர்ட் ஆகக்கூடாது. டிஜிட்டல் மார்க்கெட்டிங் வந்து அந்த பேஜ் மட்டும்தான் இருக்கணும். அதுக்குள்ள நான் என்கொயரி போட்டு போகணும் அப்படிங்கிறது மட்டும்தான் அவங்களோட இது. இது நிறைய பேர் பண்றது இல்லை. ஆடுக்காக பண்ண இப்போ இவங்க பண்ணிருக்காங்க பாத்தீங்களா, இதுதான் கரெக்ட். பட் மோஸ்ட் ஆஃப் them are not doing like this practice. But this is the suggested practice I'm telling. Article writing. See, when I say what is digital marketing, Adobe for Business, some website it has come. This is also again a page. When I search for what is digital marketing, it has come as a one folder called blog, then basics, then digital marketing. Then in the URL, digital marketing a complete guide. When they have written the date they have mentioned. Here they have mentioned about the content, and in this guide what I'm going to learn or what I'm going to see, what is digital marketing benefits. See, when I say click benefits, it will go directly here. Some link they are given. Okay. Again some image they have posted. Again link, image link, image link. So it's kind of a complete thing which I want to know about digital marketing. I can do it. So this is not a buyer's parameter page. I'm not looking at the fees. I'm not looking at the job opportunities. I'm not looking at who is the trainer. I just want to know what is digital marketing. In that, there may be a small portion covers what are the job opportunities. But exactly what is digital marketing, I'm going to learn. This is an informational page. So how the content should be here, it is a different because they are given like a table of content. So for article, this is called articles or blog will tell. Same kind of a concept, but when we keep inside our website, it is called as a blog. So the blog should contain who has written this article. Any comment section also I can leave. They are not given, but they should have mentioned who is the article owner is Adobe Experience Cloud team. They have, instead of individual, they have mentioned as a team. So this is for sharing this link for another one. So this content is kind of a different one. So why this blog or article needed? See, we are writing one landing page, that is fine. We are writing on landing page for ad, that is fine. All are one-time work you will do. But continuous work, what you need to do is writing a blog. Because you cannot cover everything in the landing page. So there are n number of topics available with respect to digital marketing course. But what we have covered is related to certification, related to job opportunities, related to trainer, reviews, feedbacks we have covered in landing page. But apart from that, there are many things you can talk about digital marketing. How AI is going to shape your digital marketing world. Will I get a job if I study only SEO? There are n number of questions. For that, when you write as an content, it becomes an article. So all these articles, when you write on a weekly basis or alternate basis, day basis, and you put it in your website, Google likes this fresh content. Okay, you are written fresh content. That means this website is keep updating. That means this kind of a website I should show it to the users. ஸோ நீங்கள் அப்டேட் பண்ண கூகுளுக்கு ரொம்ப பிடிக்குது. அதனால அந்த கூகுள் என்ன பண்ணுது, இந்த வெப்சைட்டை கொண்டு போய் நம்ம யூசர்கிட்ட காமிக்கலாம். ஏன்னா கீப் அப்டேட்டிங் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்காங்க, லேட்டஸ்டா இருக்குது அப்படிங்கிறது. ஸோ அந்த அப்டேட் பண்றது வந்து நம்ம வந்து நம்மளோட லேண்டிங் பேஜ்ல கண்டென்ட்ல யூ கேன் சேஞ்ச். ஒரு பேராகிராஃபை நீங்க சேஞ்ச் பண்ணலாம், இல்ல டெலீட் பண்ணலாம், இல்ல ஆட் பண்ணலாம், எப்படி வேணாலும் பண்ணலாம். பட் நிறைய நம்ம பண்றதுக்கு வந்து பிளாக் அப்படின்னு ஒரு செக்ஷன் கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. நம்ம வெப்சைட், if you look at our website, we have a content called, menu called blog. So when I go to blog, there are many type of topics I have written. Let's say under digital marketing, there are some articles written for that one, but we are not consistently writing because March was the last date we have mentioned. So as a digital marketing person, you should write a content for this particular, I'm telling, like for the course. When you are with us for 4 months, weekly, twice you need to write a content minimum. That means 4 into 2, 8, 8 into 4, 32. Sorry. Same like image, 80, 80 I am planning, not for 32. Daily one article you have to write. Daily one image you have to, for that image you need to write a content. So these things are your part of your regular work. Because all the articles we are not going to publish only in our website. We will publish your articles on the website. There are other articles, websites are available. You can go and publish there. So that means when you are writing daily articles, you are not writing only for Appin Coimbatore. You are writing for another website, medium.com. Some other websites are available, which I will be showing. There you can go and write the content. You can write a content for LinkedIn. You can write a content for medium.com. Write a content for Q&A forum. When someone asks a question, you keep writing answer about that one. You write a content for our website. When you write a content for our website, we will be posting the content in our website. See, posted on anything. This is again posted by company, that's I mentioned. Comments here, I think he has blogged. So like this, you need to keep updating. And I said like around 80 content with the link, you need to put it in the drive. So that when you appear for an interview, you tell that these are my complete articles list. All URLs you give. Then your Instagram link. So there 80 images or reels or video, 80 contents link you will be need. This is the experience you are going to gain, and this is what the interviewer is going to like. This is what this 8-hour students will be doing. You remember, not the 2 hours will be student doing. So if I want to show an example, because 2 hour student, they will just go from here, and depends on their time management they will be doing. By 8-hour students, since you have more time here, you will be doing. I'll just show you. So from today onwards, you three have to write a summary of your daily work and send to mohan@etherservices.com. To this one, mohan@etherservices.com. Daily report. See how it was there earlier. When you send to that one. For example, he was our student earlier. He will send the daily report. What is his LinkedIn article is written? He is a student, earlier student, previous one. So he has written some articles in the LinkedIn. Instagram is account. Blog comments is written. Social bookmarking. So daily something he'll keep doing. LinkedIn, best skills to learn for future from digital marketing, best digital. Somewhere this article will be read. This is the article written by Ganesh. So this article I am going to show you how to write everything. So let's start with that one. So manually, how earlier people used to write is when you give a topic to the content writer, there will be one separate person, content writer will be there. So that content writer, what they will do, he or she will be very good in English. Mostly BA English, MA English will be joining as a content writer. What they will do is they will just do some research on that particular topic. They refer many websites, and they also come to know about what are the keywords we need to put it in that article. Then they'll write on their own. It is like cinema script writing. So then they will publish that article. So that means there will not be any duplicate content. They will just refer other websites, but they will not take the content from that website. They will take only the knowledge or what are things needed from that website, competitor website or any website. Then they will write on their own. So they will charge for writing one article like this. For example, this is one article. You imagine for this article alone, they will charge around 20,000. An experienced content writer for writing one article, they will charge around 20,000. But to write this one page of article, they will take 5 days of time. So because there should not be any duplicate, they should understand what is that product, digital marketing. That is what I'm telling. Domain knowledge. When I give the first day class, you understand what is digital marketing scope, who is going to study, then who can study. I ask you to study our entire websites and take notes from outside because that is the knowledge you require to promote this product. So content writer, they will take 5 days. Okay, so 5 days per day. If you put like 4,000 rupees, they will going to charge. Then only the beautiful content will come. Otherwise, copy paste content will come. When you put a copy paste content, Google will easily identify that there is a similar content available, and that was written 1 year before, and these guys are writing same thing 1 year after. That means these guys are taking content from that website. So they will not show our website in the top 10. Google will not show that one. So Google will show the content which is not duplicate or which is not there in the previous internet URLs. How much it can be? See, for example, there is one product, mobile phone. Product features, same product features, 512 GB RAM or whatever things. It will be in Amazon. It will be in Flipkart. So Google knows for some of the product features specification will be common anywhere you search in Google. So they are not telling that content. Content means 30% you can have a duplicate content. 70% it should be a unique. So even if you're writing a same specification, write in a small with a deviation, like is was what all things you want to change, you change it right. Now with the help of AI, because now we don't want to take time to write that content, and we don't want to depend on any content writer. As a digital marketing marketer, we should know how to write this content, and we are not going to do it manually because those days are gone. Now, if you do not know how to write using AI, then you will not be getting a chance to work in a company. So for practice, you can try for once how to write a content manually. If you are doing that one, it will be very, very great. You are understanding the core concept. Or you can go for AI. So which one, ChatGPT or Claude or Gemini? These three are the Perplexity 4 AI tools available. So for content, okay, ChatGPT is okay. Or if you are using Claude, that will be more good compared to AI. So I want to use Claude to show you how the contents are. First, we will start with what content, then tomorrow we will see. So, what are the content? Before that, anyway, I'll tell one more topic before going into this one. So, you should know about EEAT concept. It is by Google. EEAT. What is that EEAT means? Experience, expertise, உங்களுக்கு தனியா லிங்க் நான் ஷேர் பண்றேன் உங்களுக்கு. So I'm teaching this one instead of 400 article writing. What I told is EEAT, experience, expertise, authority, trust. These are the four parameters which Google look at our content based on these four parameters. Whether the article written by someone who has an experience in that field. Okay. So I am writing for a fever, you take paracetamol, you take 3 times, you take 2 times when the temperature is 101. These are the articles I am writing and put it in my website. Google will think whether the Mohan has an experience as a doctor, because he is suggesting you take paracetamol twice in a day or whatever between 6 hours. If I'm writing all those things, okay, it may be a correct or not correct, but Google want to check whether Mohan is an experience in this medical field. So experience matter for any content Google to promote in their top 10. Expertise. Okay, I don't have an experience. I'm not a doctor, but I keep researching. I am a pharmaceutical person. I do have experience in generating a medicines. I mean, developing the medicines. I'm not a doctor. Or I do some research. How this works, how this medicine works, everything as a PhD scholar, I'm doing some. That is called expertise. I'm not a doctor, but I have an expertise. By how I expertise? By researching through various papers, research papers, or what are interacting with the doctors. Authority. This article, how to believe. So when I say like according to W Health Organization. So when I say according to W Health, it means I'm referring to a third-party website or third-party data. That data should be a popular one. So when I say according to a leading cardiologist at the KMCH, something like that, if I'm telling me, so Google will believe, okay, this guy is not only having expertise on writing on one, but also referring a third-party expertise. That is called authority. You should have authority in your content, or as per my research, or as per my country, whatever you want, something authoritative. நான் தான் இந்த இருக்கு என்னால் இது அப்படின்னு சொல்றப்போ கூகுள் இன்னும் பிலீவ் பண்ணும். Trust. Have you ever of your customers have gone through your article and they felt like, okay, so the trust testimonials. So he used to write an article very best after research. So this testimonials is something reviews. If anyone has given, then Google will trust more about this article. So when you have these four parameters, experience. So how experience you are going to show? This article is written either in the top or end, written by Mohan Kumar, who is a 15 years experience in digital marketing. Like that, if I put that one, then Google will understand, okay, this guy is experience in this particular field. Expertise, based on your research or whatever things your content you are suggesting, it will be an expertise. Authority, how you are mentioning other contents, and trust. So these four parameters should be in the article writing. So you think of when you are a digital marketing course, when you are writing anything, whether you are showing any experience, you are showing expertise, authority, trust, we are showing. This is my plan. Act as a content writer. Content writer, as I said, like anyone can write the content, but SEO also should be there. That means keywords. What are the keywords that are important? Because that only they are going to search in Google. So based on the keyword, our content will rank in the top 10 or 20 or whatever. So I'm just adding that using experience in content writer. Explain me the basic concepts of EEAT with example. In a simple layman before going to content writing, I will just want to show you EEAT. Because all we are studying is based on SEO only. Useful for an SEO. Have you actually done it? Like a chef who has cooked 10,000 meals versus read recipes. So I know 10,000 recipes, but I never cooked any one of the recipes. So I don't have experience. The experience something I have cooked 10,000 recipes, not reading that recipes. So when you're writing article about that one, whether you have that experience or you just know theoretical. Expertise. Do you know your stuff? A doctor who studies medicine for 10 years and keeps learning. The expertise come from the research or you need to spend the time for learning. So your expertise in digital marketing, but you don't have experience. That means what? You know the skills of digital marketing because you are learning for 4 months, but you don't have experience. But that experience, what for our 8 hours we are bringing inside. But generally, expertise means you have knowledge on that stuff, but you don't really work on that. Authoritative. Do others accept you? Doctor featured in Times Magazine cited with you. Authority means, as I told, like according to some third party website, like that, whether you have been featured in any of the magazines or TV, anything, then authoritative will be more. Mostly influencer. When you give one interview to the TV people about digital marketing, then everyone will believe you more confidently. That is authoritative. Trust, foundation, everything rest on this one. So EA to explain experience. Have you actually done this? This is the newest addition of the first thing. Google wants to know if the person writing the content has real life experience with the topic. Because sometimes I write like life after 60. This article is written by a person like 30 to 40 years old. So how to believe he has not experienced the life after 60, but he is writing the article about life after 60. Got it. புரிஞ்சுங்களா லைஃப் ஆஃப்டர் 16 ஒரு 30 வயசு பையன் ஒரு ஆர்டிகல் எழுதுறாரு. அப்ப இந்த கண்டென்ட் எப்படி கூகுள் பிலீவ் பண்ணுது? கண்டென்ட் வந்து கூகுள் பப்ளிஷ் பண்ணுது. யாரோ தேடுறாங்க லைஃப் ஆஃப்டர் 16 இது மேட்ச் ஆகி ரிலீஸ் ஆகுது. பட் உண்மையாவே இந்த எக்ஸ்பீரியன்ஸ் இருக்கா இந்த பையனுக்கு கேட்டா இல்லை. ஏன்னா இவன் 60 தொடல. தொடாததுக்கு முன்னாடி எப்படி அதுக்கப்புறம் எப்படி இருக்குன்னு எழுதுறான். பட் எக்ஸ்பர்டைஸ் இருக்கும். அவங்களோட தாத்தாவை பார்த்துருப்பாங்க, வேற பக்கத்து வீட்டில் பார்த்துருப்பாங்க, அவங்களோட லைஃப் எப்படி இருக்கு இந்த ஏஜ் டிஃபரன்ஸ் அப்படிங்கிற நாலேஜ் அவங்களுக்கு இருக்கும். தட் இஸ் கால்ட் எக்ஸ்பர்டைஸ். ஸோ real the two people write about best digital marketing courses in Kolkata. One is a student who googled it, other is you who has been running since 20. Okay. How to show it as add student testimonials, behind the scenes photo of your classroom batch results. That's what we saw in that. That is the experience. Expertise. Do you actually know your subject deeply? Do others in your field recognize you? So that is what we need to publish some of the trust factors in our website. So normally many companies they will go for on TV advertisement or TV interview because that adds more authoritativeness. And people safely rely on each other. So from now onwards, you start imagining all your content should have EEAT parameter. Whether it is a simple page, simple landing page, ads for landing page, or articles, anything you keep remembering. When you have this EEAT, Google will easily find out whether there is an EEAT in this content. If it is there, then more chance your website list in the top 10 of Google for particular keyword. So content writing, it looks like a very small or just like that, but it is an important parameter because Google reads the content. Content means text, image, audio or video. Anything now Google can read. That's why like when you search in Google, digital marketing, there is an option called images there. So these are the images read by Google, then it is giving you as a result. If it is unable to read the image, then this will not give. Even videos, it can able to read what they talk inside that video. That is why they are shortlisting and giving those. So content can be images, videos, audios, anything it can be, and based on that we need to promote that one. So to promote, we should have EE80 basic inside that. So this is the basic about content writing. So tomorrow we'll start finding which topic will suitable for this, how to choose the topic, then how to write the content. Then I'll write down content for you tomorrow. Then day after tomorrow you should start writing on your own. Then we'll go to other topics like keyword. Any doubts? So when I say today EE80 means you also go and read more about EE80. EE80 Google, you just search. There will be Google website will be coming. There you read about EE80, not in other websites. These are the old ones. Try to read from a Google website. Google. What is Google EE80? It's from the Google. This is community help, not so good. It is not like exact content. This other website, not that. This is also okay. Search engine journalism good only. But try to read from Google. Okay. I'll send the task also. I'll add your thing and send the task. You already added that one. Pooja.